What's up, you guys? This is Doctor 2017 and the game here today. This is going to be a two-part video of how you disassemble a saber to your hilt of this saber. I'm going to find out the name of it later on. And a Graflex from Padawan's Outpost. These two are from Padawan Outpost sabers. So to understand how you disassemble a saber. So this is the part 1 of disassembling a Graflex and a basic saber, and the other one, the part 2, will be reassemble the saber. So we're going to show you how you disassemble a proffie saber from this saber here, because I just changed the saber around. So this one is the proffie saber.
You can never escape me.
This is saber off, and I'm just gonna change it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As you can tell, this is the proper one.
I've been waiting for this day.
Stop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
May the force be with you.
I'm just going to plonk this as Anakin's. So, how do you change a proffie saber from this saber here to a Graflex that is a basitlit, as you can see? So this is a basitlit saber. I'm going to show you how you disassemble a proffie saber to a Graflex that is a basitlit. So we're going to start off with this saber. We plonk the Graflex on one side. So you have 2 screws at the front and a screw behind. Well, we used to, but let's just say if it was there. Let's say that screw was there. You take it off the back screw first. If it was there or if it wasn't. And I always start off with taking the pommel off first, so I know that's what I'm doing. So take off the pommel. You take off the pommel and plonk it one side. And the other way around, another one as well. But if you got a basitlit, not a basitlit, if you got a blade plug, both basitlit or NeoPixel, make sure to take them out first as well. Either way, if you want to take both of them out. So let's take it out. So this is the NeoPixel. This is a basic blade. Now, by doing so, let's say you got the back piece off. Now you're going to take off the front piece off. And now you get, so as you can see, I'm taking this screw out, this screw off. Hold on. Yeah, right. You take that screw off, and then you take the second one off. So you can see here. And now you push the button in. As you know, it would do something like that. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm going to turn you over to the Jedi Council.
Darn. Sometimes the button will be pushed in if you pushed it out so many times. So I'm just going to leave this bit open. So if I could plonk it onto the Graflex. Right. So what you've done, you took the new picture out of the saber if it was in this saber here. Now I'm going to show you how you disassemble. So this is the disassemble for this saber here. Now I'm going to show you the disassemble of a Graflex. Now, by doing this saber of the Graflex, you slide this card either this way, the forward way, or the back way, so left or right. Slide it out. As you can see, you got a button and a screw. Easiest way I would do it is by taking the button out, so just tip it over. As you can see the little red light, there is your button, because that's where it turns on if I show you. So you push it in and turn it off. There you go. Just slide it out. Now for the next bit, you unscrew this piece here. As you can see, my alloy key is here. So you unscrew where the alloy key is. Go forward of it, just to unscrew that piece. To unlock this outer pommel. As you can see, this is the outer pommel. I call that the inner pommel. This is the inner pommel. That's what's inside of it to protect the core itself. So let's take it out. That's the inner. Let's plunk that one side. Now you get to. Oh, darn. Now what you're gonna do is take the inner screw out. If it gets far, you know it's out. So I got that screw out. Now you got the clamp out. As you can see, clamp is out. Now you see this back screw here, you got to take it out. As you can see, I am about to do it right now. And just tip it out. And now you got your basitlit core out from a Graflex. As you can see, right, no core. As you can see, no core inside. So if you do get a Graflex saber, best way, if it gets stuck, get a blade, plonk it inside the blade here. So you go plonk it in here while opening the bunny ears to access this bit here. By doing so, just push the blade in and the core out if it gets stuck, because the core gets stuck easily. So like I said, if that gets stuck out, get a blade, and what you do, you pull the blade out, not the blade, the core out. While doing so, you got the basitlit core out, and now I'm going to show you how to reassemble the proffie core to the Graflex and the basitlit into this pommel here. So this is the part 1, and now I'm going to do a part 2 of the video. That's going to be up in a minute. So thank you guys so much for watching this part 1 of this video. Just make sure you like this video, leave comments, subscribe to this channel, turn your bell's notification on so you don't want to miss an upload just like this one or the next one up for the part 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you watch the part 2 of the the reassemble of the Graflex and the Saber Air. This is your boy, Doctor 2017 and Gamer. It is out. Peace.